Here's how you can change the time, the date, and the year for your Casio AE-1500 watch. So if you have any of the Casio AE-1500s, then this is the guide for you to change the time, date, month, year. So the first thing you want to do to get into the edit mode so you can change the time, date, and year is long press on the adjust button. The adjust button is the one found here at the top left, this one where my thumb is tapping on. So hold it down, you hear a beep sound, okay? And once you get it to start blinking on the seconds, it means that you are now in the edit mode. And edit mode allows you to change everything. Now to cycle between the seconds, minutes, hours, date, and all that, you want to press on the mode. The mode will switch to what you want to change next. So if I press mode once, it'll take me to the hours. And to change it, in terms of increasing it, you'll press the start button, this one right here, the one to the bottom right. So as I press it, you'll notice it's gonna go up. And it's only gonna go up and then restart after 12. And you'll notice it's now on P, which is for PM. And you wanna cycle through it until you reach to the past the 12 to get back to AM. So this is AM, and then going all the way past 12 a second time is PM. Now to change the minutes here, so maybe I wanna change, it's 12 o'clock now, I want it to be 1 o'clock. And I want to change the minutes now. So press mode again, and now we're changing the minutes. So as I cycle through this, maybe it's actually currently 1:45. Let's just say it's that. And now, as I press mode a third time, this is the year. This big thing blinking right here, 2012, it's the year. So we are, at the time of this video, in 2025. So pressing on the start will change it or increase it. And it goes all the way to 2099, and then it resets back to 2000, and it'll start again, just so you know. I'll press mode again, and now we're going into the month. So the 3 is blinking up here, that's the month. Pressing the start here will change it. So we're actually in May at the time of this video, and I press it again to change the date. So today is actually the 9th at the time of this video. So it's gonna go up to 31 and then change it until we reach the 9th, okay? So today is May 5th, 2025. Pressing the mode again now will go back to the seconds. So that was time, seconds, date, month, and year. And once you're done with all the changes, press the adjust button just once, a single press, and that'll stop it from editing or in edit mode. And now you have change your time for the Casio AE-1500. And that's that. If this guide helped you in any way, like and sub. This works for every other model. I know there's the one with the negative display, the red text, the beige colored one, and the green one. They're all the same, just different colors. So like and sub.